So guys, let's quickly go through the rules. Vijay, can you have the rules, please? So guys, this is where you get 8 options and there are only 5 correct answers to the question. There are no buzzers. We've done the randomizer. You guys know the sequence. If not, Momo will help us. 1 question per participant, rather 2 questions per participant. 5 for each correct answer that you guess. Bonus 10 for getting all 5 correct. And you lose all points of the round for an incorrect answer. Guys, in the last round, we had a time limit of 45 seconds. This is the final. Things have to get heated up. We are giving you 30 seconds only. Okay. So, and I will only, I mean, you are free to call out whichever name you want to call out, even if it's there on the list or not. You don't have to waste time. So, DK, be my guest. But any wrong answer will be correct, counted as a wrong answer. I mean, which is from the screen itself. Okay. Everyone clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Everything's fine.
Momo, who's going first?
Yogesh.
Yogesh Adnani, you ready?
I'm Elambetik, ready.
Chalo, let's have the first question for Yogesh, please. Can you guess the IPL 2019 Centurions? Your options are Johnny Barristo, Ajinkya Rahane, Andre Russell, Sanju Samson, Chris Gale, Prithvi Shaw, and KL Rahul. And the time starts now.
Chris Gale.
20 seconds remaining. Go ahead. You keep going.
Johnny Bairstow.
Okay. Last 8 seconds.
KL Rahul. 5
seconds. Go. Time's up. Unfortunately, Chris Gale is the incorrect answer. So all your answers after that didn't really matter. The correct answers were Johnny Barristo, Ajinkya Rahane, Sanju Samson, KL Rahul, and Virat Kohli. Okay. Momo, who's going next?
Next is DK.
Guys, just to make it clear, I have a timer which is on my screen. Only I can view it, so I have the count of it. And it's exactly 30 seconds. All right, so no contesting that as well. Okay, DK, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, can we have DK's question on board, please? Can you name the 5 under-19 World Cup winning captains? Sami Aslam, Aiden Markham, Prithvi Shaw, Shimron Hetmeyer, Mitchell Marsh, Ishan Kishan, Priyam Garg, and Unmukh Chand. Time starts now.
First is Unmukh Chand.
Keep going. I won't stop you. 20 seconds on the clock. Last 10 seconds.
Priyam Garg.
Last 5.
Pass.
Time's up.
Yeah, pass.
Unmukh Chand was the right answer. Priyam Garg was the incorrect answer. India lost the match. This was, I think, semi-final or final. I'm not sure which one, but this was the last World Cup which we had seen, the Under-19 World Cup.
Yes.
I think it was the final. It was the final.
Against Bangladesh.
Against Bangladesh. Oh, yes. And then the fight. All right. Okay. Momo, who's third?
Feroz.
Feroz, ready?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Can we have the question for Feroz, please? Bowlers Mankading in international cricket. Kapil Dev, Ravi Jadeja, Deepak Patel, Greg Chappell, Murli Karthik, Charlie Griffith, Chris Gale, or Amir Kaleem. Time starts now.
Kapil Dev.
Keep going. $20 seconds. $10 seconds. 5.
Charlie Griffith, maybe.
Time's up. Your answers were Kapil Dev and Charlie Griffith. Which team does Charlie Griffith play for?
Australia.
I don't know either, but that's the right answer. Kapil Dev and Charlie Griffith are the right answers. Well done.
मतलब
Okay.
इस बार स्क्रीन नहीं अटका तो मेरे को अटका दिया,
हाँ?
इस बार स्क्रीन नहीं अटका तो मेरे को अटका दिया।
चलो एक और राउंड है, शायद उसमें मैं निकल जाऊंगा। Okay.
What are the other three answers? Okay,
Yeah.
Deepak.
Deepak Patel, Greg Chappell, and Amir Kaleem.
कपिल देव का मालूम था बिकॉज साउथ अफ्रीका को उसने किया, तो वो मुझे ध्यान है।
हाँ, उसने वो आई थिंक कैल्प्रो वेसल्स को दिया था शायद, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन। वो
I don't
उसने
remember.
वो वाली उसने वो भी की थी एक्शन
हाँ।
की। ओके चलो लेट्स मूव अहेड। फोर्थ प्लेयर फॉर द राउंड इज Parth. Okay. Parth, ready?
Yep.
Okay. Can we have Parth's question on board, please? Players have taken 5 wicket hauls in IPL. Your options are Jaydev Unadkat, Dimitri Mascarenhas, James Faulkner, Munaf Patel, Adam Zampa, Samuel Badri, Ashish Nehra, and Mohammad Nabi. The time starts now.
Uh,
10 seconds. Done.
Jaydev Unadkat.
Keep going.
Munaf Patel.
Keep going. 20 seconds remaining. Last 5.
Mascarenhas.
Time's up. You've guessed Jaydev Unadkat, Munaf Patel, and Dimitri Mascarenhas. They are the right answers. Well done. The other two are James Faulkner and Adam
I
Zampa.
was confused on Zampa, but didn't want to take a chance.
Oh no, that's better to not take a chance. You know, you don't want to risk all the points that you want. Okay, so this brings us to the first leg of this round. We will be continuing the second leg shortly. Momo, can we have the scores, please?
QJ.
Hey, QJ screen is off.
Anyway, the scores are Ungli Masters at 30, Gabrus
Okay.
at 20, Masti at 20, and Underdogs at 20.
Underdogs at 20.
Yes.
Oh, well done. Okay, so they are pretty much.
How can
Underdogs at 10. Sorry, Underdogs at 10. Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right. Okay. But they're still in the game. I would not call them off. They're still pretty much in the game. Very, very tight contest. I mean, 20 points between the first and the last team. I mean, it's just one fourth question away. I mean, fourth round question away. All right. Okay. So can we have QJ screen on, please? Okay, QJ. Thank you. Who's going sixth, Momo?
Fifth is Firoz.
Sorry, fifth. Yes.
Firoz.
Okay, Firoz, your question will be on screen any moment. Players who have taken 5 wickets in a T20 international, including a hat-trick. Your options are Tim Saudi, Thisara Pereira, Fahim Ashraf, Rashid Khan, Lasith Malinga, Deepak Chahar, Brett Lee, and Ashton Agar. Time starts now.
Deepak Chahar.
Keep going.
Tim
20
Saudi.
seconds remaining. Tim Saudi. Okay. 15 seconds remaining.
Yes, Malinga.
Last 5 seconds. Time's up. So your guesses were Tim Saudi, Lasith Malinga, and Deepak Chahar. They are the right answers. Well done. The other two players.
I think it's Brett Lee and Fahim Ashraf.
No, they are Rashid Khan and Ashton Agar. अच्छा हुआ नहीं बोला.
I thought Brett Lee का hat-trick का. Okay, अच्छा नहीं guess किया.
अच्छा हुआ. चलो, well done. You played well in this round. This is the end of your journey in the quiz. Okay. Next player, please, Momo. DK, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we have the options, please? 10,000 plus runs in ODIs. Your options are Dilshan, Chris Gale, Mohammad Yusuf, MS Dhoni, Adam Gilchrist, Inzamamul Haq, AB de Villiers, and Jack Callis. Time starts now.
First is MS Dhoni.
Keep going.
ODIs, right? Jack Callis.
Okay. 20 seconds remaining. Okay. Last 10 seconds. 5.
Inzamamul Haq.
Okay.
And just confused.
Time's up. So you've guessed Jack Callis, Inzamamul Haq, MS Dhoni, and Dilshan. Those are the right answers. Well done. And the 5th player was Chris Gayle. And you very well. Good recovery.
Even Mohammad Yusuf?
No, Mohammad Yusuf
No,
is
not
not.
in the 10th.
It's not.
ODI.
Yeah.
Well done, DK. Well done. Good recovery. Okay. So can we have who's next, Momo?
Next is Yogesh.
Yogesh.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay. Can we have his question on board, please? Players who have scored 10,000 plus runs in test matches. And your options are Alan Border, Andrew Strauss, Hashim Amla, Steve Waugh, Yunus Khan, Mahela Jayawardena, Shivnarayan Chandrapal, and Javed Miandad. Time starts now.
Mm,
10 seconds.
Steve Waugh,
Keep going.
Andrew Strauss, Mahela Jayawardena,
Okay. And
Chandrapal.
I will take Chandrapal and your time's up. So he said Steve Waugh. Okay, I know whom you said. You called out Andrew Strauss. Unfortunately, Andrew Strauss is the incorrect answer. Guys, ये disturbance कहाँ से आ रहा है?
Ora.
Okay.
AQ.
Okay, हो गया.
Okay.
Andrew Strauss is the incorrect answer, Yogesh. The correct answers are Alan Border, Yunus Khan, Chandrapal, Steve Waugh, and Jayawardena. Hard luck. Okay. Can we have question number 8? Who's going for question number 8?
It's Parth.
Parth, this is the last question, and this is the last question of this round. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's have the question on board, please. Top 5 run scorers in IPL 2008. Your options are Adam Gilchrist, Gautam Gambhir, Sean Marsh, Sanat Jayasuriya, Shane Watson, Yusuf Pathan, Suresh Raina, Graham Smith. The time starts now.
Sean Marsh, Gautam Gambhir, Sanat Jayasuriya, Shane Watson, and
You have 15 seconds left, and you have one guess remaining.
Graham Smith.
Okay, Graham Smith is your last and final answer. So your 5 answers were Gautam Gambhir, Sanat Jayasuriya, Graham Smith, Sean Marsh, and Shane Watson.
Yes.
How confident are you?
I'm just not sure of Graham Smith. Rest 4, I think I'm okay with. I'm confused between Gilchrist and Smith, but I'll still go with Smith.
Well, you don't have an option now, but well done. You've got all 5 correct, and you've got the bonus points for that as well. Well done.
Great. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Momo,
Well
can we
played.
add those to the scores, please, and final scores?
So the final scores after this round are the table at
Shivering actually.
Ungli Masters at 50, Underdogs at 45 with 50 in this round,
Oh, wow.
Masti at 35, Gabroos at 20.
Oh, what a turnaround for underdogs. From -5, they've come up to 50 points in this round and scored 45. Wow, amazing. Well, still very, very, very tight. Gabroos can still cover up, I guess, but they need help from other teams to go in minus points. So, all right, guys.
एक्चुअली अमन भाई ने स्टार्टिंग में बोल दिया है ना, वही रिजल्ट ले रहे हैं अभी.
चलो देखते
हम
हैं.
स्टार्टिंग से थर्ड ही है, अभी तक थर्ड ही रहे.
Anything can happen, guys. ये SFICC है, इसमें कुछ भी हो सकता है.
But it's a really nice quiz. It's very well organized.
Thank you. Let's finish this on a high. Let's this.
Parth, man, what a
Excellent.
superb, yeah.
Well done, yeah. Well done, yeah.
Well done.
Pitch plus आखिरी स्किन बाकी है, guys. The game is still not over.
Thank you, man.
My voice is clear. एक बार देख ले यार मैलम.
बिल्कुल.
My money on Amanullah Siddiqui. Go Aman, go.
गया man.
थैंक्स फॉर द प्रेशर. और आप जिसको भी सपोर्ट करते हो वो हारता है. भाई लोग
Sound like go Corona go.
नहीं यार, go Aman, go. Come on, yeah, Aman, you can win this, man. DK gave you a blinder. Come on. Go Aman, go.
Come on, guys, come on. Let's start round 4. Players for the last and final round of the night. Pratik Jain for Underdogs. I can see you well. Aman Siddiqui, yes, you are up on screen. Tahir Khamosi, I can see you. And we have Ankit Bhagchandani, I can see you as well.
Can you hear me?
Requesting all other players to please be on mute and switch
hear
off
me?
your videos. Yes, I can hear you.
Malam, can you hear me?
Yep, I can.
Pratik, could you just be a little louder, please?
Okay.
Thora ekdam silent.
Yeah. All right, guys, you know the drill. Rapid fire. You know how we adjourn the rapid fire. It's only your name, not the answer. We've seen a negative marking already in this round. I mean, in this final episode of what happens. Okay. So, rapid fire, buzzer round. Yes. Total questions 10. Marking is 10 points for the right answer, -5 for incorrect or no answer. There won't be any pass, and time allowed is immediately after I call out.
And
so no buying
and
time.
Malam, let's not show the score sheet during this round.
Why not?
Okay.
यार स्कोर शीट तो चाहिए भाई, पता तो चले.
तो
No,
अभी एक बार
I mean,
पहले
I just- I
फिर से
think
दिखा दो.
we can keep the score sheets going, but then what happens is if you all try to interrupt me while saying the question, I'm going to stop the question and QJ is not going to show you the question. So try and guess whatever you want to guess.
No, do one thing. After 5 questions ना खुद ही बता देना स्कोर शीट बस. After 5.
Momo बता देगा.
ठीक है.
And Malam, one more thing. I'll just call TK instead of Tahir. Okay, is that fine?
Whatever is comfortable for you.
Yeah.
HS, are we on board with the fact that if players are stopping us while we are reading the question, we can stop the question on the screen?
Yeah, that's fair enough. So basically, when we are reading the question and the player calls the name, see, what happens is that is okay. But the problem is not name calling. The problem is when they know what they have to do, then the manipulation starts happening just to make sure that they're winning, like we saw in the semi-finals. So we don't want that kind of thing happening for the final. Let players win it fair and square.
All right, guys, you've heard it from the horse's
Their
mouth.
knowledge. It's an SFICC quiz.
You've heard it from the horse's mouth.
So
Everything
HS
is
bhai, you
loud
mean
and
to say
clear.
semi-final was not fair and square?
Moka bhai, good evening. How are you, sir?
Well, I love you. Bye bye.
What an
Love
organizer.
you too, Moka bhai.
Guys, come on. Let's get serious. The participants are already chewing their nails.
But Mela, one thing. So you will finish the question and then we'll do it. But yeah, it's not fair to be calling the semi-final win untainted or unfair. Yeah, it was within the rules.
See, all this is part of the banter, Aman. You know this very well. We can always take it in the groups.
मौका भाई उंगली
Again, I
करके
need
चले
some
गए.
clarification here. You're saying to only see your name after you're done with the question?
No, what I'm saying is that if I'm starting the question and if you call out your name, then I expect you to say the answer immediately and not read the question.
Okay.
You will read the question for us ना तब भी.
अगर आपने बजर बोल दिया मैं बंद हो जाऊंगा वो क्वेश्चन पढ़ने को.
नहीं और वो question गायब हो जाएगा. You don't understand. See, what he's saying is, if he's reading the question, when he starts reading the question, and let's say Aman says Aman, and he hasn't completed the question, QJ will remove the question from the slide. So if he hasn't completed the question and you call out your name, the slide will disappear and you have to guess the question and then say the answer.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
fair
so
enough.
basically you get a
fine.
-5.
So see,
But then-
again,
fine.
you'll have to think of it this way.
Okay,
The
fine.
question
Got
will
it.
obviously the question will obviously be on the screen. I will only start reading the question once it's on the screen. Let's wait for me to finish the question. Bottom line वो है.
और अगर किसी को पता है तो बता दे, खत्म बात.
खत्म बात. Question लेके तब screen से question निकल जाएगा.
ठीक है, fine, ठीक है, got it.
Call out our name, right?
Yes, call out your names. That's it. Call out your names.
No,
Wait for the judges to call out your name again, and then you say the answer.
Yeah, all
Come on,
right.
guys. You've seen everything has happened before. तुम लोग final खेल रहे हो यार. Come on.
Okay.
Can we have the first question, please? Which bowler holds the record for bowling the most number of maiden overs in IPL?
Ankit.
Only one call here. Ankit, go for it.
Harbhajan Singh.
Harbhajan Singh is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Praveen Kumar. He's bowled 14 maiden overs and Second highest is by Irfan Pathan.
Shit, yeah.
कोई बात नहीं. चलो. Question number 2, please. Who was the first player to claim consecutive 5-wicket hauls in T20 leagues? Five seconds to answer this question. Time's up. The right answer is
Malinga.
नहीं यार, ये किसी को भी शायद नहीं पता होता. Faf du Plessis.
अच्छा, T20 लीग. I thought international cricket. Sorry. अच्छो नहीं दिया.
Okay. Question number 3, please. Who officiated in the 2019 ODI World Cup and was also part of 1999 World Cup winning team?
Pratik.
Only one guess here. Pratik, go for it.
Dharmasena.
Dharmasena is the incorrect
Ankit.
answer.
Shoaib Malik.
पास नहीं है. बोल दो.
Shoaib Malik.
नहीं यार, क्या बोल?
Was it Paul Rifle?
Paul Rifle is the right answer. Yes.
Oh, मैं officiated. Sorry, मैं.
Ankit, be in the game. Ankit, focus.
Okay. Sorry.
Question number 4, please. In which year did Virat Kohli win the Under-19 World Cup?
Ankit,
go for it fast.
2008.
2008 is the right answer. Well done. Question number 5. Who is the first player to score a triple ton in a pink ball test?
Ankit.
Tahir.
Azhar Ali.
Azhar Ali. Tahir. Azhar Ali is the right answer. Well done.
यार Ankit.
I need to take a breather as well.
Score now. 5 questions are done, I think.
चलो दिखा देते. Momo, scores. Momo, just speak the scores out. It's okay.
Okay.
Only their own scores. Only player scores, not the final scores. Give me the player scores only.
Aman at 0. Tahir Khamousi 10.
Can you say with team, please?
Team बताओ यार, ये क्या 10-20 कर रहे हो?
चलो team दे दो.
Ungli Masters at 50. Musti at 45. Pratik at 40. Underdogs at 40. Gabrus at 25.
सारा सही देना है यहाँ से. First 50 है मतलब
number
1 50 है.
Pratik has written them down, so he knows when and where to go ahead. All right. Okay. Can we have question number 6 on screen, please? Question number 6. Which player has played 2 winning World Cup finals but did not bat, bowl, or take any catches in either of them? Shane Lee, Michael Bevan, Darren Lehman, Shane Watson.
Aman.
Yes, Aman.
Darren Lehman.
Darren Lehman is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is
Shane Lee.
Michael Bevan.
Oh, बच गया, अच्छा हुआ.
अंकित
मेरे पास कुछ है बोलने को यहाँ पे, लेकिन वो बंदा बड़ा भड़क के निकला है एक राउंड में, तो मैं उसको कुछ छेड़ूंगा नहीं, भी जाने दो. Okay. Can we have question number 7, please? Who is the only player to be involved in the last ball of 2 ODI World Cup finals? Darren Lehman, Damien Martin, Damien Fleming, Brett Lee.
Ankit.
Yes, Ankit.
Lehman.
Darren Lehman is the right answer. Well done. He was part of the winning runs in one of the games. In second games, I think
99.
Catch. Yeah.
99 पता था, इसने डबल मारा था लास्ट पे.
Yes. तो 99 में उसने विनिंग रन्स लिए थे और 2003 में उसने फाइनल कैच लिया.
अच्छा, बस चलो एक से.
चलो. Question number 8. Yes. Who is the first player to score centuries against 7 different teams in a calendar year? Five seconds on the clock.
Tahir.
Yes, Tahir.
Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma is the right answer. Well done. Guys, last 2 questions for the night. I hope you guys know who's in the race. Try to finish the game on a high. That's all I can say. Question number 9, please. The highest test score by a visiting batsman in a losing cause in Australia, South Africa, and Sri Lanka is 226, 202, and 221, respectively, all scored by the save batsman. Who is it?
Ankit.
Yes, Ankit.
Rahul Dravid.
Rahul Dravid is the incorrect answer. The
Ponting.
correct answer is
Ponting.
Brian Lara. Guys, final question of the night.
यार डाउट था राहुल द्रविड़ पॉन्टिंग दोनों ही नहीं थे साले.
Among all IPL Orange Cap winners, who is the only player who have never played a Test cricket match?
Pratik said, right?
Pratik, go ahead.
Yes, Pratik, go. 3 seconds.
Orange Cap.
Time's up.
मेरे को पता है.
Time's up, Pratik. Time's up.
मैं बताऊं? प्रतीक को नहीं पता तो?
बोल दे.
Robin Uthappa.
Robin Uthappa is the right answer, unfortunately, but pass नहीं है round में. Momo, what's happening?
Masti won.
It was really close.
Masti, I think, took the cap.
Yes, Masti.
Wow.
Well played,
Congratulations, Masti. Amazing.
Rohit
Tahir, you
Sharma.
are on mute. Unmute yourself.
Hello. Yeah, guys.
Can we have both the brothers on one screen, please?
Yeah.
I mean, guys, seriously, these two
Mehnat
brothers
karke
have been
Tahir.
underdogs all
Congratulations,
throughout the
guys.
Guys.
excellent
welcome to
results
Dhanera.
have been coming up.
Tahir, well done. Tahir, well done, yaar.
Well played, guys. Well played.
You guys,
Welcome to Dhanera.
This was fantastic. We really enjoyed the whole tournament. We were actually looking forward to these quizzes when they were about to begin. An hour earlier, we were like all prepped up. We used to just look out for stats or just do any bullshit.
And in the beginning, I was telling him not to register to make a fool out of ourselves.
guys, I want to
But
add
Tahir,
in. I
yaar,
mean,
Rohit Sharma, yaar, super answer, yaar, super
I
answer.
just want to add in one thing that Masti is the only team who has, friends following up from US as well.
Yeah.
I mean, I think in
UK,
one of the
मेरे भी आ रहे भाई.
UK, yeah.
कनाडा से आ रहे होंगे मेरे बंदे.
क्या नाम कर लिया अपना यार अपना?
लेकिन मेलम जो यूके में है वो भी तो SFICC खेल चुका है पहले.
Ankit, well done.
Congrats, yaar, Masti.
All fine.
Congrats,
Congrats, you made
Congrats, you're right.
Teachers Super Kings proud.
तो जो बंदा यूके से देख रहा है वो SFICC का सुपरस्टार रह चुका है पहले.
ये भी SFICC से खेल चुका है, कनाडा से जा चुका है.
Amazing. What? Great. I mean, guys, speaking of this so much, I mean, like we as, organizers also have loved every bit of this. I think हमारा पूरा मेहनत जो हमने किया है सब अच्छे से रंग लाई है. A very fair and well contested final. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.
Hello, nice.
Great job, yaar. Proud of you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Superb, yaar. Super. Proud of you. A fun fact is that Adnan was introduced in SFICC in my team. The first person to pick it.
Warrior, go Mr. Warrior.
अभी तो छोड़ दो किसी और के लिए.
Just giving credit deserves.
Congrats, Masti.
Guys, before we end, can we please request QJ to come on screen, guys?
Oh,
he's in behind.
give a round of applause, boy. Give a round of applause.
QJ, can we have you on screen?
QJ is the superstar of SFICC quiz.
Super.
Well done, yaar. Well done.
QJ, good job.
QJ, आजा.
Well done, QJ. Boy.
QJ आजा भाई online.
जाओ यार.
QJ किधर हो भाई? आ जाओ. QJ गुस्से में मीटिंग ही बंद कर देगा.
QJ शर्मा मत आजा online.
Good stuff.
रिदा पहन के आजा.
कपड़े नहीं पहने लगता.
अबे रिदा पहन के आजा शर्मा ना.
QJ PPT से बात करेगा. बोले तुम क्वेश्चन पूछो मैं PPT से बात करूंगा. No guys, I think QJ just messaged me. He does not have a camera on his desktop. And he's working from his desktop. He'll accept your congratulations on the group. Thank you guys. Well done.
मोमो राउंड और नाम के साथ स्कोर शीट भेज देना एक बार ताकि वो लाइफ टाइम के लिए सेव कर ले. हाईएस्ट स्कोरर इन फाइनल.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल. ये भी हमारा सर, you've already made a question for SFICC quiz 2. ये हमारा एक क्वेश्चन रहेगा नेक्स्ट क्विज के लिए.
Very well appreciated. Very well done,
Good
bro.
job, guys. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Momo, good job, boy.
Alright, guys. That's all from us. Take care. Good night. Stay safe and stay healthy. Till we see you next time for SFICC online quiz 2.
Adnan Khomuz.